Namaste everyone. A thing which is a wonderful power which can change our whole life. It is the creator of circumstances and events, and it is a pathway to everywhere. That is our beautiful imagination. Today I take a wonderful opportunity to speak on our beautiful imagination. Let's see. Imagination is the ability of human beings to explore ideas and concepts that are not present in their current life. Every decision, every idea, every seed of opportunity begins with a thought in our mind, and we have the choice of recognizing and imagining it to let the opportunity or idea work in our favor. Without faculty of imagination, we human beings are nothing more than workhorses. I can say that imagination has its own great significance and it is the door for our colorful future. Imagination is beautiful because there are no rules to play by when we are imagining. We can just dream about the things we want as if we have already having them in our hands. Imagination is step one of all inventions. Throughout history, people have created marvelous things by using their imagination. We have a phenomenal athletes like Michael Phelps, disruptive entrepreneur like Elon Musk, great minds like Stephen Hawking, and extraordinary storytellers like Christopher Nolan. One man's imagination can change the lives of millions or even billions of people. Imagination takes us to realities that were never explored. It is truly magical to create unique things out of thin air. That is why imagination is a precious gift to mankind. Imagination is also what infuses faith. Faith would be impossible without God's gift to humans of good imagination. That's only the beginning. God Himself used imagination in the creation of everything, even the humans. I think if God had not imagined the creation of whole universe, our life would not have been exist. So, imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, you will what you imagine, and at last you create what you will. Therefore, all creation is rooted in our imagination. There is a famous quotation that the world of reality has its limits, the world of imagination is boundless. Imagination doesn't require a person to physically travel into the wilderness. Human mind by itself has the ability to travel through the Milky Way even if given the appropriate opportunity. For example, the Wright brothers who built the first aircrafts imagined voyages before they knew it was achievable. When device after device failed to see them traveling through the clouds, the two brothers predicted how could better their airplane until one day they established the world's first continued voyage. A developed and strong imagination doesn't make us daydreamers, but it strengthens our creative abilities. I can say that imagination is a powerful tool for recreating and remodeling our world and life. We humans have grown up witnessing our earlier generations live a life filled with concern and problems. These all things disallow us to see life as a boon. To get rid of this, we should plug ourselves to the imagination which paves the way towards positivity. Therefore, imagination is an excellent tool that can help us escape from the gruesome reality. Additionally, imagination fosters positive attitude in people due to freedom of expression experienced in the virtual world. In addition, imagination supports education. since children learn to look at the things out of the box right from a very young age. Thinking out of the box is a basic requisite to be creative in life. Albert Einstein said, "Knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world." When we have a fertile imagination, we have the whole world in our hands. Remember, we are what we think about ourselves as. This means whatever we are capable of imagining is capable of becoming a reality one day. As they say, dreamers are those blessed souls who experiences the dawn even before the whole world experiences the same. Dear friends, the world is a canvas on which we draw our life with a creative use of imagination. Be a dreamer and allow your imagination to take you into the worlds that are out of purview of your eyes. Let our imagination fly in the sky while you remain its shadow in the earth. Have a great day. Thank you.